one of Naturigin's Danish ambassadors. Naturigin is an organic-based hair color that gives you a permanent and healthy-looking result. I've been using Naturigin's home hair colors for several years and it's my favorite because it's effective and still gentle to your hair. Naturigin's package contains a color cream, an activator, a conditioner, and a pair of safety gloves, as well as detailed instructions. The color cream, activator and gloves should be used for the coloring, while the conditioner is used last for aftercare and closing the hair strands. Before coloring, start with unwashed and dry hair. Read the instructions carefully and choose the right application. My hair is already colored with Naturigin, and in this video I will color my regrowth, but also show you how to apply Naturigin to hair types that are both colored and uncolored as well. Now I will show you how to use Naturigin's home hair coloring step by step. First you open the activator and apply the color cream tube into it. Be sure to get all the mixture out. Press the tube. Close it again and then shake the activator bottle till all the mixture looks smooth and even in color. After mixing the activator and color, take the gloves from the instruction sheet to keep your hands clean while coloring. Start out by applying the mixture from the activator bottle along your hairline, like this, and then massage into the scalp. And at the other side as well, just like this. Massage. Now you're gonna start parting the hair at the scalp and coloring the regrowth at the end of the roots, like this. Be sure that all the regrowth or root ends are well covered with the mixture. Massage again. Notice the mild perfume smell. Leave the mixture in your regrowth for 30 minutes. This is the time schedule for regrowth only. Be sure to leave the color mixture in the regrowth for 30 minutes. If you have colored hair, leave the mixture in the regrowth for the entire 30 minutes. After 20 minutes, add the color to the rest of your hair to sit for the last 10 minutes. If you are coloring all hair and have uncolored hair, leave the mixture in all hair for 30 minutes. Remember to massage the hair scalp for an even spreading coloring. After 30 minutes, add a little water to the hair to make the mixture foam, massage the hair and scalp and rinse well with lukewarm water. Apply the after color treatment. Let it work for 2 minutes and wash thoroughly afterwards. As you can see, my regrowth is now gone and matches the rest of my hair color. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you find Naturigin's products as great as I do.